Welcome traders to this week's Simple Market Metrics review. It's the week of the 24th through the 28th. So for that Monday, this closes at 10:08. That was your loss. Held on to it for almost 20 minutes, so 72 ticks. And on Tuesday, close at 9:12. We had this one win, 10 points. And on the 26th, close of this, 10:26. You have your 10 points. On Thursday, the 27th, close of this 9:30, 10. Close of this 10:30, 10 points. Then the end of the week, and this close of this is 9:08. Have your 10 points. So that brought it to 5 wins, 1 loss, plus 640 for the week. And then that brings us for the past 25 weeks plus $9,305, another 2,005 if you double your size on the 1 minute. So we're over 11,000 with an 83% win rate. The risk is down to 3.22, the profit target. So that's for the full 90-minute session. If you're just doing the 1 hour, you're still plus 7,700. Higher win rate, 86%, but your risk is a little bit higher, 3.83. So for YM, let's see. That week was 18, 19, okay. We had this 1, 2, 3, so 60, so that's 300 bucks. Minus 400, minus 100, 3 to 1 on that. So that's going to take you for the past 19 weeks plus 350. Everyone went to this 40, 112, and then 21, 36, 6. So that'll be higher than this, higher than 2.64. So this, again, YM is not sitting too good. Doesn't really seem like there's any good time to trade it. I mean, you're going to be probably negative after all these commissions. And this, so before 9 a.m. candle, 1, so you're 2 to 1. $200 minus 400, so minus 200. So 3, 9 to 930. You're up 1, 125. Still no bueno. RTY for the past 19. So we were 5 and 1 plus 205. So you had a really small loss, which was nice for once. And you're sitting at 82% plus 765. And but the best time still seems to be 9 to 10. Stay out of the candles before 9 a.m. You're at 82% win rate, which is the same, but plus 1355. Multiply that by 3, and now it equal what NQ is. And then ES, you're 5-0 last week, plus 500, plus 1262.50 for 25 weeks, 80% win rate. But I mean, you're technically still profitable after commissions, but the risk is too high for an only, for that win rate, probably. Oh, and just the commissions. You would have to double your size for NQ to pretty much equal, so you're paying half in commissions. But the sweet spot does seem to be the market open. You did have one of those wins on Tuesday, so you're at plus 2,000, 87% win rate. I believe your average loss on that is double, so it's 2x. So again, you double this equal NQ, so 4,000 for just like 6 minutes of available trades. So it depends on the time of day that you want to try. There are a few viable options. YM does not seem to be one of them. So I'll also work on doing the market replay for NQ for the month of March. And we'll see how that turns out for doing the 3x maximum stop versus the floating stop that we have. Thanks for watching. Thanks for using the affiliate code, and see you guys next week.